Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And if you hear any noises in the background of today's video, I am eating well, I'm eating some chips. Okay, so I've just added a new mashup, Greek mythology mashup to my Minecraft world, and it looks sick. So let's go explore, look at everything. Oh my gosh! Yo! You see that? It makes like a new like breaking look, and the texture is, oh my gosh, look at the textures. Oh my gosh, that's a real texture there. And the breaking, oh my gosh, yo, that is so so satisfying. And especially if you like break the trees. Oh, I literally just fell into a cave system. Okay, to a little cave. Okay, so we're gonna turn some of this wood into the spruce logs. Okay, okay. Need like a nice tree. Okay, we're gonna see now we already have like, oh my gosh, let's get this tree, let's get this tree. Okay, we're gonna build up because we want to get all of this wood that we can get. We're gonna get like a little bit over a stack of planks, then we'll move on. Okay. Oh no, I didn't mean to go in the water. Guys, I'm having this little tiny glitch where, oh my gosh, we're gonna make, oh, yo, oh, look, oh my god, look at the crafting table. It has like the axes and everything on the sides. What is this? Oh, bowl. Oh my gosh. Chip break. Okay. Spruce doors actually like blue doors. Oh, look at the sticks. Okay, oh, what? Look Oh, I am so glad I installed this texture or this mashup. Wait, oh my gosh. We're just gonna go through everything. Okay, let's start with the wooden sword. It has, oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I am feeling pretty bored of this, even though it's really, really cool. Let's get on to some star stable. Okay, guys, we are back. Hold on, guys. I'm going to stop recording for a minute. I need a moment with my club. So I. Okay. Okay, so we're on some star stable. Let's just do a little bit of training. Oh, and by the way, guys, tonight I'm going to be doing an all-nighter. Since I just ran past this girl with the new Frisian, I am going to do an all-nighter tonight. I will film parts of it. Of course, not the whole thing, because my recorder can only record up to 15 minutes. I have not purchased the full membership yet. So, since I am a star rider, I will get 100 star coins when it hits 12 a.m. As you see, I have 906 star coins. And I will go show you how much the new Frisians cost. Sorry if you guys hear really loud chomping. Just gonna try this over the mirror, I don't care. I will show you one of the new generation 3 Frisians I want. Wait. Why did I just take the trailer? Oh. Why didn't I just call for pickup and get a free ride? Sorry if you hear any loud slurping. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay. I know, guys, this might sound crazy to you. Wait, I'll show you what I mean by that sentence in a minute. So you know my old generation 2 Frisian Bullet Beam, who is my only maxed horse. Oh my gosh, why? Okay, I need to get the power. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Ginger Snap, what? It shows that there's no horse in that stall where Ginger Snap's supposed to go. But literally, she's in the right stall. Oh my god. If that glitch ever happens to you, I get so annoyed by that. Okay, there we go. Now I have the powerful shoes on. Okay, so what I showed, since that's um, so you see, she's just a pure black Frisian. I like her so much. Oh, I just run into some of my club members. So I am going to get the same color of this horse, which that is in the winter village for right now. See this black Frisian that's in the winter village? It will leave the winter village when the winter village leaves, but then that black Frisian is not temporary. It will just be moved to Jorvik Stables where the other Frisians are being kept. Oh my god, just look at this majestic. 950, so I can get any of them tonight, but I am going for that black one. So let's do a little bit of throwback time. Well, not throwback time because that means old, but let's do some training. Okay, but as a little, when I'm all the way down there, I don't want to climb back up the slide. So what I do, I lose the race, then I go up to this race first. Because I always do this race first. I don't know what I was thinking when I first came. Yeah, okay. And look, guys, you want to see something awesome? It works for this race so much, and I love it. 360! And then it just turns you this way. I love that. I know I should really be doing this with a not maxed horse, because then I'll actually get some XP for this. But just, like, I want to get a pretty record time. I want to get a little bit of a record time than other people. So, yeah. Of course, I'll never get records because I'm such a big noob at records. Like, I'm not such a, like, I'm a pretty big pro at Star Stable, but at getting records in Star Stable, I'm a big fat noob. Oh, bad mistake, Star Stable. Did you see? I could just walk past them. Or I could just go past them because there's paths. Oh. Whew! Fast and Frosty race. I love that race. So cool. Now we can do the next race. And after this race, sorry, I needed a chip break. Okay, so after this, um, I will show you what I meant by that sentence earlier, that it may seem crazy to you guys. So yeah, because I know you're gonna say in the comments like, "Oh my gosh, why are you wasting wish coins?" I will show you that in a minute. Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh! I am so going to lose. There is no way I can catch up. Oh my gosh. Yo, why did that happen to me? Oh my god, no, 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 I failed. Oh, but I fell under the, I wish it didn't, like, reset you, like, at the top of the slide if you're in the middle of a race and you fall out of the world. That's what I think is very, 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 very annoying about the Winter Village. Other than that, I extremely love the Winter Village because on other people's screens, I'm straight up flying.